Hello students, today we are going to discuss the second important component of the cell, that is nucleus. Okay, so basically this nucleus, it is the largest cell component and we can observe it with the help of microscope. Okay, and this nucleus, what it does, it contains hereditary information that is passed on to the next generation. And nucleus is also important because all the activities of the cell, it is controlled by the nucleus. Okay, so in case of animal cell, it lies in the center, but in case of plant cell, it lies towards the periphery, means towards the wall. So nucleus, basically these are spherical or round bodies. Okay, so basically nucleus, it is composed of proteins, DNA is deoxyribonucleic acid, RNA, that is ribonucleic acid, and lipids. Okay, some of the cells, they have single nucleus and they are known as uninucleate cells. For example, cells of onion peel. Okay, and in some cells nucleus is missing when they mature, means the cell, when they attain their maturity, in that case the nucleus is missing. For example, human RBC, red blood cells. Okay, and some cells have two nuclei and are called binucleate cells. Example is paramecium. Okay, now we will talk about the structure. So here you can see, this is the structure of nucleus. So basically there is an outer double layer membrane which is known as nuclear envelope or nuclear membrane. Okay, this nuclear membrane, it separates the nucleus from the cytoplasm. Okay, and you can see here on the outer side of this nuclear membrane, ribosomes are present, and these ribosomes, they helps in protein synthesis, means they helps in manufacturing of protein. Protein को बनाने में क्या करते हैं, help करते हैं. Okay, inside this nuclear membrane you can see this green portion, that is a liquid like substance which is known as nucleoplasm. So it is dense colorless nuclear sap which is present inside the nucleus. Okay, so other structures are suspended in this nucleoplasm. Okay, like nucleolus and chromosomes, they are suspended. इसमें क्या होते हैं, बिखरे हुए होते हैं. Okay, also enzymes, ions, proteins, etc., they are present in the nucleoplasm. Okay, then you can see here there is a spherical structure or round body which is known as nucleolus. Okay, and nucleolus, it may be one or it may be more than one. Okay, and this nucleolus, what it contains? It contains RNA, ribonucleic acid, and proteins. Okay, and here at last you can see some thread-like structures or hair-like structures. These are known as chromatin material. Okay, so these chromatin materials, they are made up of DNA and proteins. Okay, and when cell division occurs, when cell divides, these fibers, they condense. Okay, they condense to form chromosomes. And chromosomes, what they do, they contains the hereditary material which is transferred to the daughter cells during cellular reproduction. Okay, so some of the important functions of the nucleus you can see here. It is the control unit of cell, means it is controlling all the activities of the cell. Okay, it helps in cell metabolism, means inside the cell whatever the reactions are going on, it is controlled by the nucleus. It contains the genetic information of organisms. Okay, so already this I have told you, means it carries the hereditary information. Then the outer membrane of nuclear envelope, it contains ribosomes. Okay, and you all know these ribosomes, these are the site of protein synthesis, means these ribosomes, they are responsible for the manufacturing of protein, for making of proteins.